Good day, my people. How una dey? This another style, your old style with new method. Just try it with me. It's quick one. Guys, if you have not followed me on my Facebook page, please try to follow me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, if today is your first time come across my video, please subscribe and also follow me on my Facebook page. I still have a lot of video to drop so that anytime I'm uploading new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, you turn on your notification bell. So just try to turn that place very well. You twisted it, then use pin to pin it down. Use pin to pin it down. Yeah. You see here, if you want to try this head wrap, make sure not the day that you want to wrap it on your head that you first try it. No, make sure you try it a day so that you will get it. You can just say that it's very simple, but to get the fan is very, let me just say, it's little difficult. Yeah, so you just need to do what you try it like once or twice before your outing day. Yeah, so that you will get it proper. So that place also, I'm trying to put pin to pin it down. Yeah, you can see now, you see what we get. So just quick one. So that place I will use pin to pin there up so that to get the neat shape. So that place I'm gonna use pin to just pin it down. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm trying to adjust the pin. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Guys, you see our cute head. See now, see how beautiful it is. So we're going to do the second one. So I'm trying to adjust it very well. Yeah, look at it now. Yes. And the distance of the gele is just two distance. It's not up to 3. It's 2. So this is the second style. So guys, just please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and also follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Just continue watching. See you in my next video. Bye. I love you all guys.